name's Dave Kozak. I'm here with Joe Kerins, one of my associates, and we are both college planning specialists. We focus on helping families navigate the difficulties of the admissions process and the inherent financial burden of higher education. And we wanted to give you some insight into our seminar system and why we feel necessary to visit high schools and go to community centers and deliver the message that you're in a, for lack of a better expression, a game, right?
Yeah.
And you need to know the rules and the playing field that you're associated with. And just like the tax system and just like the legal system, financial aid's a system. The college game is a system. And the better prepared you are, the better the effect on the system.
Absolutely.
So, Joe, you've seen a bunch of presentations. You've delivered a bunch of presentations. Yeah. And we stay really consistent with that message because I like to think we lay the foundation for what the general public needs to understand.
Absolutely. Yeah.
And, you've been very successful in getting people to a level that they're at least better educated about what we do. And I think if there's anything that we stand for, it's we want to educate you on the college system and how admissions, finance, acceptance, and curriculum kind of come together at the college point.
Yeah.
So we did about
over 100 probably last
over
year.
100 presentations last year. And, I think the one thing that I get often from a group of people is, well, can you help us?
Yeah.
Right? And there's a reality. We can't help everybody. We'd love to, but there are some people that are going to overpay for school, and there's nothing they can do about it. There are people that are poorly positioned that can have a drastic impact, right? So a lot of what we focus on is educating the client.
Yeah. Yeah, and it really is about education.
Yeah.
The reality is that, as you put it, it's a game.
Yeah.
The more you know about the game, the more you know about the rules, the better you can play it.
Yeah.
Just with anything in life, right? Yeah. As you said, taxes, when it comes to law, the more that you know, the better you can be positioned. And so our workshops are really driven to educate.
Yeah.
It is meant to give you a grasp and an understanding of the college. It's a very complex system. And through our workshops, you will learn, not everything. There's way too much that we could cover in an hour.
Yeah.
But you're going to learn a lot.
Yeah.
And I still remember that, when I got into this, that somebody taught me that if you could teach people that the University of Pennsylvania could be less than Penn State, I was blown away. And through our workshops, we can show you how that's possible. So just having that level of knowledge from an hour workshop, it's invaluable. I mean, it truly is. And I love the fact that what we do is that educational side.
Yeah.
Right? It is meant to show parents, okay, how should you be positioned in your finances? How can you be better positioned? What are the ways that you might be able to make sure you don't overpay for college? There's a lot of knowledge in there. It really is about, that 20,000 foot view. And as you said, a lot of parents always come up and say, can you help me? And with any type of financial question that ever gets thrown my way, I can guarantee you that the answer always is, it depends.
Yeah.
Because I have to ask you about 50 questions after that to see if I can.
Yeah.
But the main purpose of that workshop is to just see, okay, do you want to ask those questions?
Yeah. And,
Oh,
sorry.
Yeah, no, that was good. Yeah.
Again, when you go to a free workshop, you've really got nothing to lose. And we really try and give you a jam-packed information session. That's what it's about. You've got to understand the playing field. And so I encourage all of you, come out, see a workshop, tune in to one of our virtual live events. We're going to give you more information than you're going to get anywhere else in this system and in this game. So subscribe, stay tuned. We do a lot of this. We're trying to take our message out. We're trying to educate people to the best of our ability on what they face.